Today we will talk about the skill. What is skills? Skill is on 3 types. 1 hard skills, 2 soft skills, 3 medium skills. The hard skills will be all you know. Its examples are mechanic, tailor, carpenter, etc. But we talk on the second one, soft skills. But in the modern era, it is necessary that we learn soft skills. There are many soft skills, but a few are very demandable, so if we learn this from basic to advanced level, we earned a lot of money. One of them who are on top trending today is the graphics design. Nowadays graphic design is on the top in every freelance market like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com and People Per Hour. From today, we are starting a series of soft skills. And we are doing startup with the graphic designs. And it's all free of cost.